Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 120 Burncoat Street, Unit 2, and this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the Burncoat neighborhood of Worcester. And I'm just gonna go around and kind of give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place and its rooms as I can. There are 3 very large bedrooms comparatively to other places in Worcester. This is the living room. Let's start here. So you kind of have a dual living room setup. This could actually even lead directly into the dining room, but that's the door when you come in through the front, and there's several places to go. So let's call it dining room. And then you have the baseboard heaters that kind of go through the whole apartment. Through the dining room, you have the living room. And then the living room goes many places as well. There's one bedroom over here, bathroom and kitchen and laundry is down there, and then other 2 bedrooms are over there. And this is actually a pretty unique house. It's not your typical 3-decker. Let's check out the first bedroom. It's kind of got it's kind of a big lot. It's a really big lot. There's a small backyard in the back, and then there's plenty of yard in the front area. There's a walkway that comes from the driveway with the what's it called? The spaces for the parking, and then the information for that is going to be in the description of the listing. But enough about the outside. Actually, we can take a quick peek. So you can see that's the fence line. There's going to be pictures of it also in the listing, but the parking is over there, and then you just walk up to the apartment. So this is the first bedroom from the living room. It's really nice in here, very spacious. The cutouts for the windows are pretty tasteful, and there's plenty of light. Hardwood floors go out through the apartment, and they're all in really nice condition. You know, they're nice and shiny. And all the rooms have heating and closet and doors. This one has a sliding door, and it's also got a closet here. So plenty of room in here, plenty of space for expansion. And let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. So back into the big living room, through the dining room, then into the hallway. So this hallway is a strictly bedroom hallway. So you got over here, this is one of the rooms. This is the second out of the 3. And you can see it's pretty nice like the first one. It's a little bit smaller than that one, but a lot bigger than a lot of Worcester apartments that I do see. And it's got nice finishes. All the paint in these rooms looks great. The texture that they used for it. You get the closet over there with the curtain rod, and you come back out to the hallway. If you go over here, here's the other bedroom. This is bedroom number 3. Maybe the master, depending on how you look at those. I mean, there's no attached bathroom or anything like that, but it's a pretty spacious room. It's pretty long. All these rooms, you could easily fit a queen-size bed plus a desk/dresser. It's the 2nd floor, not the 3rd, so it's pretty easy to get stuff up. And let's keep going through. There's plenty of daylight today. It's a pretty sunny day. So this is what it looks like in the living room with the light off, living room with the light on that is there as well. Then you come through. You have a little coat room with coat hangers, and then you have the bathroom. It's probably one of the nicest parts of the apartment just because the finishes in here are all really nice. You get the white finishes with the very nice sink and tasteful cabinets, as well as this toilet over here, vanity light with the mirror outlet right there. A nice fixture for the shower head. Condition of the tub is pretty good. You don't have any cracking, peeling, anything like that. No big stains. And then you have this dual nozzle for the shower head, which is really nice to see, and then it matches with everything else in there. Everything in this room kind of matches, which is really nice. And then you have the fan with the light up there. And it's actually a pretty big sink. It's got a lot of space on its counter. And then we come to kind of the heart of the apartment. You've got the kitchen. So it's a 5-top electric stove, brand new. And then all the other, also brand new dishwasher. Not sure if the fridge is brand new. I can actually double check. And see, fridge is brand new. Yep, brand new fridge as well. So you have a full set. Oh, and this is brand new, the range hood. So you have a full set of brand new stainless steel appliances. Can't really ask for much more. You have the dishwasher, stove, fridge, hood, and then you got all these cabinets in here, which is pretty nice. And you know, you have this, the hood fan will kind of vent out everything. This goes to the back of the house. That goes kind of to the exterior. This is a small stairway that goes out to, actually I believe it's the side, on the left side that door goes to. Then we come through here and we get to the end of the apartment. It's in a nice little spot, kind of its own laundry room over here. You got the set of the washer and dryer machines, fully functional, and included in the apartment. So really nice to see those that you don't really have to buy yours. And yeah, that is the whole apartment. We're gonna go back through one more time. If you have any questions about this or want to see any of the apartments that we have, you can go to nexuswor.com/vacancies, or just go to the for rent page when you're on there, and that'll go to the vacancies page. It kind of just will have every apartment that we have for rent at any given moment, including this one while it's active. You can set up a showing with the leasing agent any day. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.